Hello friends, welcome to Kiko's Language School. It's day 11 of this channel and I have got 124 subscribers. I invite you to subscribe to my channel before we start today's lesson and help me to get 1,000 subscribers soon. Thank you. In an introduction video, we learned what Katakana writing system is. I have put the link to that video in the description box. If you still haven't watched it, you can take 3 minutes to watch it to get an idea about the writing systems in Japanese language. And if you haven't subscribed to Kiko's Language School, click the subscribe button and join us. Thank you. Let's begin the video. Ganbarimashou! First, let's learn how to read today's letters. Kya, Q, Kyo. Sha, Shu, Sho. Ta, Chu, Cho. Nya, Nyu, Nyo. Hya, Hyu, Hyo. Mya, Myu, Myo. Rya, Ryu, Ryo. Gya, Gyu, Gyo. Ja, Ju, Jo. Ja, Ju, Jo. Bya, Byu, Byo. Pya, Pyu, Pyo. Now, let's learn some words we can write and read using these letters. Jacketto, jacket. Juice, juice. Gyanburu, gamble. Computer, computer. News, news. Shatsu, shirt. Shower, shower. Cuba, Cuba. Jam, jam. Check, check. Well done everybody. We finished our 7th lesson in Katakana writing system. Hope you learned something new. This is the part 7 of this series and I invite you to watch the full series from the links in the description box below. Stay motivated. Learning something new can make it hard to keep it up, but never give up. Nothing is impossible. 夢を成功するために頑張って勉強しましょう。見てくれてありがとうございました。サブスクライブして、ライクしてくださいね。